to say here this: if there is anything which is most beautiful, then what you see with your naked eye is your thinking and is your feeling. And I'm so happy that today I am associated with one beautiful venture which has been thought of, which has been taken care of, and our history is being written today in the industry of garments, and I'm a part of it. I extend my heartiest congratulations to the whole team, especially to Lalit Chukral and Lalit Gulati ji, and I'm also thankful to them for making me part of this beautiful venture and beautiful evening. I may not be directly part of fashion fraternity, but then let me tell you, I belong to films, television and media, and the fact is that fashion is no way away from films. Films and fashion, they always go in hand, and they have always been appreciated together. Whatever said and done, I can say that fashion has been a part and parcel of cinema, and cinema being a part of mass communication, always been promoting fashion. One particular dress in cinema can be actually next day a uniform of the masses if it is well projected in cinema. I'm very happy that such a wonderful venture has been taken care of. If you ask me, of course I know lots and lots of statistics as far as entertainment and media industry is concerned. But when it comes to garments, I know that the total altogether, we've been actually exporting $15 billion as an exports. But we are forgetting one thing: we've been appreciating so many fashion designers from abroad. We've been bringing them back to India. We are buying their products. We are highlighting them. But somewhere down the line, we're forgetting that we have a lot of talent within the country. And we are almost 1.2 billion populated country. India is a 1.2 billion population, and we are almost 1/6 of the world. And we have a wonderful retail market in-house. And I think the estimates, what I have just come to know, that there are almost $35 billion industry at home, and we cannot miss it. I must appreciate the efforts of this wonderful organization who have actually taken interest and diverted the attention of all the exporters and people who are part and parcel of this apparel industry, that please look back home, that we are too big for the world.